Okay, this is part 2 because I accidentally turned the video off. I remember I'm actually doing the downrod repair. I mean the wire connections. There's 2 bricks on both sides. Not as bricks, the bricks that you throw on washing machines. No, that's kind of funny, but. So in this box is a wire to the fan. This is a SMC fan, industrial, with steel blades. I've taken the blades off. As you remember, last video was going to record taking the blades off for the cord installation. Get this all off. Now there's ports on both sides. I need this screwdriver. It's gonna. That light behind me is buzzing. I might actually turn that one off. I'm gonna grab the seat. There's a box. Just gonna put it over here. There's 2 screws on both sides to install the cord. You'll become a sassy little bucker doing this. Do that up. I just poked myself with the wire. That was dangerous. Make sure you do these up tight. I'm going to have a lot of wire on the end of the down rod because this fan originally actually supposed to have a longer down rod, but because of the height of my roof, and I would hate it to be a tall roof in here because then it would be hard to get the display up. I would have to have a really high ladder. I usually have to climb up. I'm usually the one that has to climb up there. Usually, especially when the light bulbs go bad. Sometimes our fluorescent tubes decide they need to go bad and die. I'm gonna pause the video and then this will all be wired up. I'm back. I'm just gonna tell you something. Some people think you can chop your head off a ceiling fan. I'm going to pause the video again so I can strip this wire. So I have put the wire on. It's all done. One wire actually popped off on the inside and it broke, so I left it off for now. It's not going to be wired up anytime soon. Now I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to get it up and I'm going to put the blades back on. So I got one blade on. I'm going to spin it up with one blade on it just for a laugh. Don't try this at home. That's an enigma. It's one of the Fanimation enigmas. I'm gonna pause the video and get the other 2 on. She's gone now. Not wired up. I just spun it up with my hands. So I could grabbing one blade with that one hand. That's it for you. It's hung. I won't have the mess hood again. Make sure I just made sure the ball is in here. Make sure this reverse switch on the other side's down. I made sure all the blades are tight. Make sure none of them are loose. Make sure it's not wobbling. Make sure I'm actually gonna get down from here. And it's a good ceiling fan. Had it up for a week now. Bye. Oh wait, bye.